Hi, good morning. It's Paul. It is May 8th, 2019. Let's see what's going on in the greater Las Vegas real estate market. Okay, so this morning we have a few listings here. We have this condo, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 700 square feet, for $145,000. It looks like it's been refurbished a bit. Fairly nice curb appeal, some nice grassy areas, covered parking. Is it an upstairs unit? Nope, downstairs unit. Formica counters. Alright, that's not too bad. Over here on Horizon Ridge. Okay, pretty nice. Okay, let's go down to the most expensive house today. It is a single family home, 2280 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 4 baths, 4-car garage, no pool or spa for $924,000. $925,000. Wowie kazowie. That's an interesting shot. I see. Nice chunk of land. It looks awful dated. Horse property? Yeah, it's horse property. Okay. I wonder how many acres it is. Nice drone shots. What do we got here? A little over an acre, 1.02. Zoned horses, built in 98. Interesting. And where is Red Coach Avenue? Port Apache and Craig in the northwest. Yeah, there's some nice parcels up there. Okay, then yesterday, still no pictures here in this condo over on Roxella. Bananas and lamb. Okay, well, let's go to the most expensive property listed yesterday. $162. 3.9 million. 9,700 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 9 baths, 16-car garage with a pool, built in 08. Interesting. 16-car garage. Very colorful. Lots of rock. Nice pool. Large parcel. So it has an elevator in it. Good size elevator too. Theater. It's a nice office. Hobby room. Sewing machine. I'm not sure what this is. Some kind of a table of some sort. Slide. casita kitchen. I don't see no 16-car garage. I wonder if that is. Now there's several houses there. Let's do a little satellite imagery there. Right at the end of the cul-de-sac there. Excuse me. That is quite interesting. We are 9,100 square foot. What? This... Did I grab the wrong one? Yeah, I grabbed the wrong one. There we go. Contractor's personal residence, spectacular. 1.23 acres. Walkout basement. Foot ceiling, casita with a 4-car garage. Square foot in tax records is wrong. That means it shows it's a lot less size. Interesting. Okay. Well, that's that. Okay. Let's go to under contract. We've got what? 15, 10, 505 in escrow. And what did we have sell? Close escrow yesterday. Okay, one this morning, a 264,000 single family home. Closed at 264 today. Oh, nice picture. Pretty rough. Yeah, no carpeting. Looks like it's part of a project. Never quite finished it. Sold it as is, that's why it's cheap. Huh. Interesting. Oh, pool empty. Gross. What does it say here? Fixer-upper. Cosmetic fixer-upper. Oh, it's not a foreclosure. It's a big lot, quarter acre almost. Somebody must pay cash for it. No, conventional financing. That's interesting. Okay, then yesterday we had a manufactured home sell. Wow. Wow. Pretty rough. Is this a foreclosure? Nope. Interesting. Tenant. Gosh. Okay, 48 grand. Alright. Well, we're not gonna comment on that anymore. These all closed yesterday. 108. $970,000 for this guy. Nice beach rock. Oh, nice little parcel. Nice views. 3,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, 3-car garage, built in '04. Right there in Las Vegas. Oh. Lake Las Vegas, okay. Alright. Well, that's that. So, let's see what's happening in the pool arena today. 0-1, 0-1, and 0-1. We're looking at single family homes with pools. $46. Interesting. Ranging anywhere from low end to 3.9, upper end to 252. Backwards, of course. I wonder what's going on with this one. 252,000. Where is it? Walnut and Alexander. Okay, up by Nellis. Alright. And let's check them all and find out what the status is here. Under contract, averages 2,500 square feet with a 10,000 square foot lot. Wow. It's because of this huge one here on Quail. $168 a square foot, 410,000. 185 a square foot, 419, and that's under contract, no show. 3,200 square foot, 12,000 square foot lot, $200 a square foot, 209. Okay, well, that's it for today. I think I've taken enough of your time. It's 13 minutes, so we'll talk tomorrow. Have a great day.